Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay the Motor Modder back again with another video on the R7, the Yamaha R7, and today we are going to be adding on a small little mod. As you guys know, the majority of the exterior stuff on this thing's done performance wise, so don't really have much to do with that, with the exhaust and all that, but we are going to be switching out the windshield. I picked one up off of Amazon, this little black one right here. I'm going to just swap it out, it'll look much nicer. Now to do this, all you're going to need is a ratchet with a 10mm socket to remove the bolts for the mirrors, and for these ones you just need a Phillips head, which I have right here as well. Use that and remove these, and you just pop this out and pop in the new windscreen. As you guys can see, the bolts right there holding on the mirror. They have two on both sides. You just pop those off. Alright, so now that we have both those bolts out, we can pop off the mirror. And see that? Gotta be careful. Behind the mirror it has this little grommet here with these bolts in here that hold in the mirror. Make sure you don't lose those because you will need those. These two bolts. Now do that to the other side as well, and we'll be right back. Alright, so now that we have those 4 bolts out, we can now start using a Phillips head and remove these 4 screws, and then this should most likely just slide off. Alright, so now that we have this off, there's these 4 plastic screws with rubber washers on the inside too. Make sure you don't lose those, and put this off to the side. Alright, so next up, basically all you need to do now is probably just slide this out from inside the fairing. Watch out for the washers, make sure those don't fall out. Here we go. Quickly go pick up the one washer so we don't lose it. Alright, so now for a comparison, this is the old original one right here. I believe it's original. Here's the one that we are replacing it with. Pretty much the same thing, just all blacked out. Now what we have to do is remove these little grommets from the old one and put them on the new one. Alright, so now that we have the grommets in the new one, all we have to do is slide this in as we took out the other one. I feel like there's these clips in there that this should go hook onto. Then we use the 4 plastic screws with the rubber washers, these ones, put those in, then afterwards put on the mirror, and that should be it. So alright, so basically after a couple of minutes, put those bolts in, put back on the mirrors, and this is what you get for the end result. Oh boy, that looks amazing. Looks heaps better. But yeah, visibility gone down a lot, but I'm a taller guy, so I don't really see down here a lot, and I don't really go on track days either. So aesthetic wise, looks amazing. One thing to note, these screws are plastic. This is plastic, that's plastic. You don't need to go too tight because it does compress on the inside here too. What I did was I got right up till the edge where the bolt you start to feel the bolt down here. Hold up, let me turn the light. When you start to feel the bolt come through right there, that's where I stopped, and that's more than enough. And the line outside here stays flush almost, so that's good. Here it is. Here I could do a bit more, but I'm not going to for now because it seems fine. Those bolts, make sure they're tight for the mirrors, and you're good to go. That's how you install a new windscreen. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I want to take a better thumbnail probably in a couple of minutes, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you guys enjoyed this, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below and having a look at all my other videos on this bike and my old bike and the cars that I've worked on in the past. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Alright, it's your boy Jay, signing out. Adios.